Hello guys, today I will be showing you
How to download YouTube videos offline.
if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
So first things first, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your YouTube application. You can search for YouTube right here, and then if you can't see update, then you're using the latest version. Tap on open. So let's just say if you wanted to watch a cartoon right here, but you think that the internet will be off later, then all you have to do is to look for that specific cartoon or specific video right here. So let's just say if you wanted to watch this video, so what you're going to do here is you just have to simply tap this download. As you can see, there is this like, share, and download. What you get to do to watch or download YouTube videos and you can watch it online, just tap on download right here. You will have your option 360 or low. If you want to upgrade your plan to premium, you can watch it 720. So everything is up to you. But for the meantime, let's just choose the first one, medium. Tap on download, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will see that the video is now downloading. You just have to wait this one till it reaches 100% and you can now watch this video online.
And by the way, once it's done, you can go to your library, go to downloads, and you will see this video. And even if you don't have an internet, you can still watch this video because you have downloaded it already. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.